using only eyeshadow. These are the colors I use. These two colors came from Seattle, London. This color came from the Nomad Cosmetics Haunted Europe palette. This color came from Be Perfect XL Pro Carnival palette. My base is all eyeshadow, my brows, eyeshadow. Tell me what you think. Be creative. I hope you took your palette out and create something beautiful, because we are all beautiful. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I simply make up a saying, go out there and live life to the fullest. Today's inspirational, encouraging word is trust. Trust. Bye.